Low waist ako, sagad o.
Tingin po.
Low waist, sagad na. May na ako ni ngayon.
Trail every minute road wave and you niggas no fair. When I hit them every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill them. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get a promise or two.
Yo, nandito kami ngayon sa Christmas party ng MNLA. Tingnan mo kung sino pinaka-fly.
Hala!
Popo, you a fool for this one.
Toot that thing up, mommy, make it roll. Once you pop, lock it for me, girl, get low. If your mama gave it to you, baby girl, let it show. Once you pop, drop it for me, maybe we can roll. Oh! Pop, lock and drop it. 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 Tonight is gonna be some changes, no acting for this. Ay, puta, delikado yan! Delikado yan! Happy! More!
Daddy! Oh my God!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Two things I never seen a nigga named Bigfoot in the hole I need. Keep the back door closed, gotta lock it, throw away the key. We can be a state away, you turn if I ain't got my ski. 2023, we got built-in switches on them glees. Drake hit, don't.
Bye-bye po.
Last na yan, mate. Sige na. Putang ina mo. Doon mo nga. Dalawang lasing yung pa pinahawak kayo. Ditong nagmamaway. Ay, punch yan. Meg, sako sa poste yan. Huwag bitawan mo, matutuloy tayo yan. Ay, wag na, akin na. Pagpakagin ako dito. Dito. Isang piraso, ang tagal. Hindi, wag na. Tama na yan. Ay, gago, wag ganyan, mate. May paputok na yan. Mag-isip ka. Mag-isip ka tayo. Kaya mag-isip ka. Wala na. Wala. Content na yan, content. Abangan mo to. Abangan mo to.
Uwi natin sa bahay.
Oo, kaya nyo na ito.
Pag ikaw hindi ka makadrive. Uy, oo, gago ka. Magdadrive ako.
Frank!
Gang home!
Hindi pa nga tayo. Kapag, ay!
Ano bang gugulo yun? Hindi na natin maintindihan.
Share. Lalasing ako. Walang balilig buwas. Sa pamilya Budoy, syempre. Thank you, Frank. Pamilya ni Direk. Yo, thank you. Frank daw sa MNLA. Hindi nyo. Si Ives daw. Pamilya ba yan? May pamilya yan. Para sa awa na lang yung Ives.
You ain't never had the fast investigation. You ain't never had the bad hoes wanna date you. You a bad bitch, daddy gotta spank you. My nigga fresh out
let's go. Tapos na ang MNLA Christmas party. Good day, good night. Bukas, Kengo nga
Like fuck cause I'm toxic. Wanna fuck her, hit her, duck her. Catch up, little nigga with mustard.